everyone, we're going to solve each absolute value equation. And these are the two problems we're going to do. So let's get started with the first one. So for the first one, and this is your definition of absolute value. So basically what we do is look at this inside here. That's your A part. And see if it's positive. And we have to also check in case it's negative, because you can have two solutions. So if it's positive, then if m+3 is greater than or equal to 0, positive or 0, then all we have to do is write this out. We're going to write m+3 equals 12 minus 2m. Now if it's negative, then that means this is going to be negative m+3 equals 12 minus 2m. Or you could write this as m+3, if you negate both sides, equals negative 12 minus 2m. So we have to check for all solutions. So for this one, let's just write m+3 equals negative 12 plus 2m. I just distributed that negative. All right, then you solve for m. So I'm going to add 2m to both sides. So you get 3m plus 3 equals 12. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. And I get 3m equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. So m equals 3. That's one solution. Okay, for this side, I'm going to go ahead and subtract m from both sides. I like to keep my variable positive. So you get 3 equals negative 12 plus m. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So you're going to get m equals, this zeroes out, equals 15. And those are your two solutions. Okay, on the next problem, we do the same thing. We're looking at for A if it's positive or equal to 0, or if it's negative. So let's do this. If it's positive, you just copy it down. So just copy down x minus 5 equals 45. You don't have to do anything. If it's negative, that means it's negative x minus 5 equals 45. Or you can say, if you multiply everything through by negative, x minus 5 equals negative 45. All right. Now solving, we add 5 to both sides. So we get x equals 50. That's one solution. And for this one, we get x minus 5 equals negative 45. So again, add 5 to both sides, and you get x equals negative 40. And those are your two solutions. And you can always plug it back in and check, and they will work. For example, if I plug in negative 40, I will get absolute value of negative 40 minus 5. Does that equal 45? So absolute value of negative 45 is 45. And you could also check 50. 50 is a little easier. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.